Hi guys, welcome to my crazy life. It's Lori, and before you ask, yes, I'm wearing my pajamas. I'm so tired. I just got home from work. It's 8 o'clock. It was a late night tonight. A couple people asked, yes, I got my hair cut. I think it's gonna be perfect. I love the short, and when I don't have this arm, I can wash it and take care of it. So, I came home, I unloaded the dishwasher, threw on my pajamas, and I am ready to get a good book out and chill. But I thought I would bring a Dollar Tree haul because I'm going to have a DIY coming up, and I bought, it's a very small haul. Ugh, sorry, allergies. But I wanted to show you what I got in case you would like to do it as well. So, we'll go over the boring stuff first. I grabbed a bag of peanuts because, you know, I like them. And I got 2 boxes of these because I'm having a hard time finding these. These are the snack bags, but they're the portion, what are they called? Portion pack. I'm going to open this up and show you. You get 40. They zip at the top. They have measurements on them, and they're really good quality. I mean, they're pretty thick. I use them all the time for all sorts of things. So they have the measurement here if that's what you would like. I like the top entry. I feel like they're better than the side entry. And like I said, I use them for food. I use them for lunches. I use them. So I'm having some surgery, like I mentioned, and there's some TMI. But when you take pain medication, you need to take something to keep your stuff moving. You don't want to back up, if you know what I mean. So I portioned out Miralax in these because I feel like I can get the top off with one hand and pour it into my liquid. But I was running low, and I went to a couple stores and didn't see them, and when I found a store that I did, I grabbed 2. I just use them all the time. Mostly for my packing my lunches and stuff. So I grabbed those. I grabbed some more of these stickers in a different font, and these are poster stickers. Somebody had asked. They're pretty thick. They're repositionable, apparently, on foam board and poster board, removable on painted surfaces and walls. I'm worried. So yeah, these are great for DIYs. You can stick them on and put some Mod Podge over them, and there's your letter. Or you can do what I did. Do I have it up here? One? Yes. I painted an egg. I'll throw it. I painted an egg, I put a sticker label on it, I painted over a different color, and when I peeled the sticker off, the brown was the letter. So you could do it that way, or I could just stick this black letter on this egg and call it. If you did that, I would seal it with some Mod Podge. That's just me. So I grabbed another sheet of these because I like them. I have a Cricut, but this is one of the things if I'm just doing a little bit of crafting, better to just use these for $1 than get my vinyl out. This was the other font that I had, and you can see I already used some of the letters, so just a little different. They had all kinds at the one Dollar Tree I was at. So I have 2 of these now. And in the same section, I think these are going to be so fun. These are poster stickers, and they're like Post-its, and they're pastel, and they have all different sizes that you can make like a vision board, or if you have some upcoming things, and these are repositionable. So you can put them on your board and then move them around, which I think is awesome. So I got a set of these, and they're pretty good size too. They're good for event signs, school projects, home decor project, poster stickers, peel and stick, repositionable. And I liked it. I think you could take a Sharpie and write what you want. You could do meal plans on here. There's all kinds of stuff. So I grabbed those because I just thought they were fun. On the lookout always for great nail files. And I'm going to try this brand. It's called Onyx Professional Medium Grit Nail File. And I was on the hunt for the Revlon, which they don't have in my store. So I grabbed this one. I will tell you that the Dollar Tree brand is not very good. Those little cute ones that come with the plastic little case are cute, but you get about 1 file. I try to keep my nails, you know, even, but it drives me berserk if I crack or peel or break. So I like to keep nail files with me. So I grabbed one of these to try. If I like it, I don't know that $1 is a great deal. For one, I feel like I could probably get them less expensive, but I wanted to try it. So I got one. I grabbed the dog treats. These are Nature's Choice made in the U.S. They are all natural, no byproducts, no artificial preservatives, soft chew treats in suitable for dogs, all sizes and ages, glucosamine and conjointin to promote joint health. Now, Luna is a little dog. She's a Chihuahua Terrier blend, and she does have joint issues, so she does take conjointin every day. But these are when she comes here. But these are sweet potato and duck. They sell rawhide there, but rawhide is not really good for dogs. So I would never buy that for Luna. But she loves these, and they're perfect size for her. And they're 100% natural, so I like that a lot. And then I could pick them up. And they're soy-free, gluten-free, wheat-free. Sweet potato and duck. She has a chicken allergy, so I try to avoid chicken. But anyway, she needs treats when she comes to see me. So I grabbed those. And like she gets 1 or 2 over a weekend. So I have some downstairs, but when I see them, I like to at least have a bag on backup. And maybe she'll get these for Easter. Like you do. You know, the pets get presents. I found the pen. I just got one. There was a couple, but it's a donut. This is a donut pen. And it's a gel, and I don't even know how it writes, and I don't care. It's a donut pen. So I grabbed one of those. I mean, I shouldn't even have to explain, right? It's a donut pen with sprinkles. So I grabbed that. Now, I found this size jar, which is perfect. It's filthy, but it's perfect for spice blends if you want to put spices in it. I happen to have been gifted some dehydrated tomato powder. That's the cat digging. What they do is they take tomatoes and dehydrate them, and they grind it up into a powder. And I was gifted a bag of it from my friend. So I needed a jar with an airtight lid. So I grabbed one of these, and I'll just slap a label on it and just put tomato and use it. For keto, I think it's more concentrate. You can make paste out of it. You can just sprinkle it in recipes, and it's less carbs. Not less carbs in a tomato, but more concentrate, so you would use less powder. And you can control it a little better. Plus, I don't like the taste of raw tomato. So, anywho, they had these little small jars. And these would be good for the spice blends that I make, too. But I have jars for those, so I just got this for my tomato. I wanted it airtight. And this has the rubber seal on it. So I will run this through the dishwasher, take the seal off, run it through the dishwasher, and that way it's clean and sterilized because you don't know how many hands and whatnot have been on these. Another great place to get these in all different sizes is IKEA, especially with the holidays coming. Okay, craft items. Story time and craft items. So I was at Target and I found this bunny. Is this not adorable? It's wood. It's a nice wood, and it was $3 in their little dollar spot. They only had one. And I'm like, well, if I need one, Sarah needs one too. So I got to thinking, and I'm like, well, we need to be able to dollar store this up for spring, for Easter, whatever. So I bought one. I don't know where my, hold on. I'm going to reach. I also picked up a foam core. Now, I'm going to tell you to buy it at the Dollar Tree for a couple things. One, they're cheaper and they're thinner. Not cheaper in price because I don't know how much they are anywhere else, but they're $1. But if you can see how thin that is, I feel like it'll be easier to cut through because my plan is to trace my bunny onto a piece of foam core. So I can make one for myself in the wood because I'm going to stain mine, and then I'm going to make one for Sarah for her house. But if you don't want to do that, this bunny, you can also just print out any shape and cut it out of this foam core and create different things. But then I picked up, to make this a true Dollar Tree craft, one of these flowers for spring. They had flowers, anchors, hearts, and maybe a flower with a hole in the middle that you can make a picture frame. But I just got the solid flower. I'm going to paint it. And then we are going old school decoupage here, my friends. I grabbed these two kinds of napkins, the blue And then I got this one with the pinks and greens and the bumblebee. I could take them out. Because what you do, if you want to know, you get out scissors. And I think like one would suffice, to be honest with you. But you got to open it up. What I will do is cut them in 2 layers and then separate the 2 layers because, first of all, this is just darn right adorable, these napkins. Isn't that awesome? You could totally decoupage this whole onto something and then put lettering or writing in the middle. That's not what I'm doing, but that's what you can do. But I thought these were adorable. Plus, you could put this in a plate, like in a charger, if you're going to put out some snacks or something, and just that pretty spring with the scalloped edges. But if you know anything about decoupage from, I'm going to say it was the 70s, but I don't really remember. You can use tissue or you can use napkins, and I'm going to decorate these. Come on up here, Alex, buddy. He gets lost, apparently. I'm going to decorate these with some chalk paint and floral napkins. Probably the blue on this one and the pinks and greens on the bunny that I'm going to stain. I want him stained, not painted. And then I'm going to cut these out. You got to do a little fussy cutting around the flowers, and then we're going to glue them on. So there's a little heads up of what my next DIY is going to be. Depending if I can get out of work at a reasonable hour tomorrow, I will do it tomorrow night and it'll be up on Friday. If I have to work over again, I may not get it out tomorrow night. It may be like over the weekend. But if you're near a Dollar Tree or if you have any signs, you can do it with literally anything. You could take like one of these bunny Easter signs, get rid of all the glitter or the back, and decoupage on it. I mean, you can decoupage on anything. You could decoupage these onto your lemons, or Easter eggs. The little plastic Easter eggs would be super sweet to like glue this florals, and any napkins will work. I just happen to have been at the Dollar Tree and I like these. I think that's everything. That is everything. Right now I'm going to go get a good book out and I'm going to relax because I'm tired. My eyes are all, and you can't see, but I'm peeling from my sunburn over the weekend. It's true, I'm peeling. All right, well, I have everything. That's everything I have to show you. Like I said, if I can get out of work at a reasonable hour tomorrow, we will have it out on Friday. If not, it'll be over the weekend or Monday, because I don't think I'll have a grocery haul since I did all that cooking. But I do need a few things. Like you do. So I may have a small grocery haul, but I'm not going to be doing any cooking for sure because I have a freezer full of cooked foods. All right, everybody. Well, that is everything. And you have a good one, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.